we're gonna get the duck from the cold room. We got the duck curry with us, and now we gotta debone it and cut into small pieces. Trying to cook the curry, so I have used a saute pan. I had garlic, I had onion in it, and 10 grams of butter. I'll just ask the chef what else do I need, so I don't do anything wrong. I'm trying to cook rice now, and I'm taking 750 grams of rice. So we gotta put that in the cup, a bit of rice for each of us, and then we can have it. I flavored it with some of the spices. I added some cumin in it, some chili powder to make it taste better. I'm working on grilled teriyaki chicken, and I'm just separating the bone and meat. Cutting the chicken into small pieces so we can screw it better and they cook better. I'm trying to cut them into a similar size so it looks more presentable and more better to eat. Well, we cooked the teriyaki chicken and we just gonna put the rice in it and put some seasonings, sesame seeds as chef said. Thank you.